Today I'm going to give you 2 more tips to keep your grass greener longer through the fall season. Stay tuned. I've decided to have a little Halloween fun with this video. I hope you enjoy. Hi everyone, this is Andrew with Small Southern Lawn. If this is your first time here, I'd like to welcome you. My goal is to document the work I'm doing in the lawn and the things I have learned over the years to help you achieve a great lawn. My focus is on warm season grasses, but some of this will cross over into those that have cool season grasses also. So, one of the first things you can do in an attempt to keep your lawn green for a little longer is to raise the height of cut a little. If you're cutting at 1/2 inch, raise it to 3/4 inch. If you're cutting at 2 inches, raise it to 2.5 inches. This extra little bit will provide more grass blade surface to keep the photosynthesis going, which should provide a little more energy heading into the late fall and keep the plant from going into dormancy too early. Now once the frost comes, there's not a whole lot that can be done about that. Warm season grasses will go into dormancy, excluding parts of Arizona and Florida, but I try to keep mine going as long as possible here on the Gulf Coast. Normally about this time of year, the St. Aug will start checking out, and this is my first season with Zoysia, which is also starting to go dormant in the more shaded parts of the backyard. During the fall, we'll want to start cutting back on how much nitrogen we put into the lawn, but I still like to continue adding micronutrients until the lawn has completely gone into dormancy. This year I'm using Green County Fertilizer's Next 002 Microgreen. This will give us a little bit of potash as a macronutrient, but will also provide magnesium, sulfur, iron at 3%, manganese, zinc, humic acid, and kelp. Humic has been shown in a few tests to increase the uptake of nutrients into the plant. By adding this into the product, the goal is to ensure that the grass gets everything it needs as easily as possible. I will be doing another round of this before the grass goes completely into dormancy, probably around the middle to end of November. And on Halloween weekend, I'll be putting out my final fertilizer of the season. I'm thinking of going with the 700 Green Effect from the next line for its high iron content to hopefully get a little final push of green, but we'll see where the lawn is when it gets closer to that time. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll do my best to address them soon. I'd like to thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a safe and happy Halloween.